All right, say it with me. Five areas that you can break into the tech field. That is what we're gonna tackle in this video. If you're somebody that has been stuck in your career, you're trying to accelerate, you're trying to figure out how or what it looks like to break into the tech field, this is the right spot for you. Go ahead and pull on up, sit down and rock with your boy.
I'm coming in high, I'm coming in quick, got what I got, I'm so content. He calling me blessed, running up checks, running up, loving that flex, been on that marathon nail, I run at my pace, they loving the sprint.
All right, so according to Forbes.com, even in the heart of all of the layoffs that are happening from big tech, Forbes says that 90% of executives have a huge skill gap right now, and they anticipate one for the next 5 years. Why is this important? Like, despite all of what we're seeing in the news, technology is the now and the future. So if you are looking to accelerate your career, we have to be mindful. We have to take a long look at what it looks like to transition into the tech field, what it looks like to put those tech skills into our toolkit, or consider a job function in the technology space altogether. All right, so let's just get to it. The 5 areas that I want us to consider for where we can break into the tech field include IT specialists, network specialists, cybersecurity specialists, data analytics, and software and web development. All right, fam, let's look at those 5 areas that we talked about. So for IT technical support, they're the ones that are gonna solve technical issues on a day-to-day basis. You can see the salary here, about $50,000 annually. This is the more entry level of all of those 5 areas that we talked about. Taking a closer look at maybe job titles, you might see desktop support, IT technician, field service technician. Another one that I see is help desk technician. So scrolling down, what are those certifications? So I like seeing this part. The ITF Plus is going to be a very broad foundational course to just get you exposure. So those of us that are not experts in IT, this is going to help you to learn about the field. A plus is sort of the benchmark, the industry standard for IT support specialists. What's not shown up here is the Google IT support certificate. So that one is comparable to A plus, but A plus is more industry recognized. I just want to make sure you know that Google IT support can be another avenue for you to get exposure to IT and start to build those skills in the field. As you grow professionally, and maybe go to like tier 2 or tier 3, or consider like network specialist, Network Plus could be a cert. Cybersecurity Plus is another one. And then you have various partner certifications. And some more certifications you can consider are Linux Plus and Server Plus. So let's go ahead and skip over to Network Specialist. So when we look at network specialists, they're the ones that support the company's internal servers and all of those devices that are connected to them. So the desktops, various devices that connect to that company's servers, they're the ones that provide technical support for them. So 80K seems to be the national average for salary. Job titles you can think about are IT specialist, network support technician, junior systems administrator. But how do you get there, right? So this is a step up from IT support. So you might already have that A plus, but now you're looking at network plus and possibly security plus. So either a combination of those two to be qualified for those roles. As you grow to maybe a junior to senior level, or more specialized in the network specialist area, you can think about Project Plus, Cloud Essentials Plus, Linux Plus, Server Plus, and Cloud Plus. So there's always going to be some various partner certifications, but those are the ones for network specialists as you grow professionally. Let's take a look at Cybersecurity Specialist, and they're the ones that protect all of our companies from threats and vulnerabilities, right? So national average, $102,000. When we look at maybe job titles we can look at, we're talking about a systems administrator, network engineer, systems engineer. And this is not an exhaustive list, there's a lot more. But now certifications, Network Plus, Security Plus. You might consider Project Plus as well, or Cybersecurity Analyst Plus, that SA Plus, Pen Test Plus. And then for software and web developers, so think about software developers, they are the ones that design and create all of the tools, the applications, the solutions that we use to do our work. So average salary, it looks like $120,000. So job titles might be web developer, junior software developer, You might see, let's skip over to maybe intermediate as well. You might see senior web developer, software architect, software development engineer, software developer. So there's some job titles. Let's scroll down here. And then when you look at certifications, they're not a specific one for software and web development. Essentially, more folks that are in this space have a computer science degree or a combination of some sort of design degree that helps them on the, I guess, the user interface or UX UI design. So just kind of keep that in the back of your mind as you navigate software development. This is more about the skills versus the qualifications for this area. There are certifications that you can think of though, right? So AWS certifications are something that you consider, IBM certifications, VMware certifications. So whether it be technical associate, professional, advanced professional, design expert, Red Hat certifications, whether it be administrator, engineer, architect, developers, and then there are some Oracle certifications. So software and web development is a broader area where the emphasis are on skills, and to be qualified, you want to have that work experience and the technical skill to show your level of competency. Data specialists. So data specialists, these are the folks that are going to help analyze data. They're the ones that help us to make decisions about our organizations. I like to say that they help us to tell a story. If we have a new project or initiative that's being rolled out, you want to have data to help drive how that initiative is going to be rolled out. So very important. Thinking about salary, it says 95K is the average salary. So job titles: database specialist, reporting analyst, data analyst. Let's go over to maybe intermediate. So maybe database administrator, business intelligence analyst, or senior data analyst. Advanced job titles that we might see: systems senior analyst, data scientist, senior analytics manager. And then certifications, right? So how do we certify ourselves as a data specialist? We're looking at the Data Plus certification. What's another comparable one to consider is the Google Data Analytics certification. Again, CompTIA has been around longer than the Google certifications. So in the eyes of an employer, a recruiter, hiring manager, they might see more value in it, but it's a matter of you having the qualification, but then showing the skill. Hopefully that video was helpful for you all. I'm confident that you have what it takes to break into one of those 5 areas of technology. If you haven't already, reach out to your boy. Visit our website at lenorecoaching.com if you guys need some help in terms of career development, from getting from point A to point B. We have a lot of tools and resources, including purpose-driven work. This book is going to be helpful for those of us that are trying to align purpose with our dreams, callings, and careers. If we're trying to get from point A to point B in our career, this is going to be a very helpful resource for you. For those of us that might need some help changing careers, we have our 60-day career change course. Be sure to tap into that one on our website as well. Connect with your boy. You can shoot me an email at info@lenorecoaching.com. I'll be glad to answer questions. I want to get connected with you all. I'm on social media. You can connect with me on Instagram, on TikTok, and I'm on LinkedIn as well. Let's rock out. I'm excited about your future. I'm excited about what's coming your way. Let's just focus. Let's just go get it, family. Y'all be blessed out here. Talk to you soon.
I'm coming in high, I'm coming in quick, got what I got, I'm so content. He calling me blessed, running up checks, running up, loving that flex, bet on that marathon nail. I run at my pace, they loving the sprint.